Greetings, Benjamin J from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, I want to do a quick video. I've gotten lots of emails since Christmas about Marx trains, Lionel trains, stuff that people got for Christmas that doesn't run or doesn't run well. But two of the questions I thought were profound enough to actually do a video on. So I've gotten two emails asking me, how do I connect the wire to the rail without a lock-on? And most people don't even know what a lock-on is. And you only have a couple of options. You can solder a wire directly to the rail. You can use a standard Marx or a standard Lionel lock-on. But if you don't have one and you want to run your trains, you're stuck. So what I tell everybody is use a old lamp cord. Cut the cord off an old lamp and use that for the power to the track. And you can go down to Walmart and you can find these spade connectors. They're actually called male slide connectors, as you see. And it's, I don't know, 99 cents for about 6 of them. Let me refocus here. And what they are is these little crimp-on spade connectors. They're just little flats, and you can crimp them directly onto a wire. Now, the nice thing about these, of course, is these connectors, as you see, fit directly into the bottom of the rail. As you see. So what you can do is insert these into the track, insert your wires, crimp them, and then just bend them over. I don't want to bend these over yet because I haven't crimped them with a wire in them yet. But an old lamp cord, crimp this onto the exposed wires, fold these over, and you have an instant lock-on, instant connector for your rail. As you see, it just slides into the bottom just like a standard lock-on. Really simple, they're really inexpensive. And again, you just take an old lamp cord, put the wire inside the blue connector and crimp it with a pair of pliers, basically just crush it. And you then insert it into the bottom of the rail. And as you see, it gives you an absolutely instant connection that works just like a standard lock-on, as you see. Just slides directly into the rail. So add your wire, bend it over, and you have an instant connection to run your trains. So anyway, I just want to do a quick video on this. Again, you can find these at Walmart and in the automotive section, of course. Male slide connectors. Really, really simple, really inexpensive. 99 cents for 6 of them. Again, use an old lamp cord, crimp these on the end, insert them into the track, and bend them over, and you have an instant way to apply power to your standard rail. Anyway, it works with O gauge, it'll work with standard gauge as well. Anyway, I just want to do a quick video on this. It's a really, really simple way to get up and running. As you see, these things actually fit really well in that groove. They just slide in, attach your wire, bend them over, and you're up and running. So I just want to do a quick video on this. Everstart Male Slide Connects, they're called. And they're basically just little spade connectors. You crimp them on the end of an old lamp cord, and you have an instant way to run your train. So I just want to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.